Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it is doing pretty well. After the sell-off, now we are seeing all the whales which are making a recovery. For Dogecoin, it has taken over the 15-cent mark again, but the trading volume has taken another little bit of a dip as we have fallen below the $700 million mark. But there are some catalysts which are coming in. First of all, 2 million transactions in the last 24 hours were done on Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin consolidation could form an explosive bullish movement, and also Google Cloud launches a new Web 3.0 portal for blockchain. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video just after YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. What is really important is we need to make sure that the social engagement stays higher. Right now, you guys can see that all the meme tokens are just trying to sustain. Make sure that they stay in a consolidation phase before anything big happens. And you can see that Doge is doing the same, and taking over the 15-cent mark was one of the best things that we can ask for right now, because that means we're going to be in this consolidation phase for a little bit longer. If it did not take over the 15-cent mark, there was a little bit of a chance of a pullback to 13 cents, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys did not want to see. Now, I do want to mention another important thing, which is the transactions. Did you know that Dogecoin just surpassed 2 million transactions in the last 24 hours? This is higher than the peak of Bitcoin transaction 14 years ago. This should tell you a little bit. Now, you can see that since 2023 it has been climbing, but since then there was a little bit of a pullback, and now it has taken a $2 million push. Now, right now it has been getting more transactions than Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's just insane. At the same time, the transactions are sitting at 2,024,000. That should give you a little bit of perspective. Now, Dogecoin consolidation symmetrical triangle signals a potential reversal, which will be happening very quickly. So the total amount of non-empty Bitcoin wallets are rapidly growing. Altcoin wallets assets like Dogecoin have flattened after the rise, but you can see that the non-empty Doge wallet up 13% in the last 3 months, and then overall the Cardano and Bitcoin is a little bit lower, but Doge is still leading the chart. Therefore, there are more people which are paying attention to the Dogecoin market. At the same time, this is a big deal because Google Cloud introduces a resource-rich Web3 portal which will allow blockchain developers to develop on this. Why is this a big deal? Because you guys know Google is a big company, and them actually allowing more things to be happening and expanding features for blockchain related things, that just means blockchain is slowly starting to catch on to the mainstream media. And you guys can see that the Dogecoin trading volume hasn't decreased, but the open interest has taken a little bit of a positive trend. I mean, it is up by 1%, which is not a significant amount, but still we are well above the $700 million mark, which is very, very good. If we talk about the liquidations on the other end, the liquidations have fallen down by quite a significant amount. I mean, the best thing to see is 1.1 million, but only 100k was from longs. Everything else is from short. Now, long to short ratio, you guys can see it's still sitting at a very positive to 75% to 25%, which is extremely good, suggesting that there is a lot of whales which are buying in. I mean, this whale on the 24th around 16 cents decided to sell $48 million worth of Doge, but after that purchased another 13 million around the 15-cent mark. Another whale you guys can see has been purchasing this dip as hard as they possibly can. I mean, around the 14.9 cent zone, you can see they purchased about $3 million worth of Doge, and this is another wallet which purchased on the 26th, just about 3 days ago, $55 million worth of Doge at the price of 15.2 cents, which is extremely good price as they are going to be holding long term. At the same time, if you want to talk about Tonecoin and compare it to Dogecoin, because I have seen it on Twitter, people talking about how the trading volume for Dogecoin has taken such a big fall, now it is not going to be making a recovery. Well, if you want to see that, simply click on Dogecoin and you can see it is still the 10th most traded crypto in the world. Now, why is the trading volume taking such a significant dip? Well, the whole market trading volume has taken a dip because it was so much higher than its normal reversal, and at the same time USDT is being held by all the whales right now. In the past, this is the highest amount of USDT that we have seen on CEX. That means a lot of people are sidelining themselves as they are uncertain what the market is going to be doing, but the falling wedgie that we are seeing is clearly suggesting a reversal very soon. On the other end, you can see that the reversal just looks very predictable at this point. I don't understand why you would be holding your USDT and not putting it in Dogecoin. That's just my take on it. Now, another thing is Dogecoin listing on Coinbase might imitate it as these mysterious transfers hint towards it. I mean, you guys can see $34 million transferred to Coinbase, and yesterday there was also another big close to 100 million that was transferred to the Coinbase as well. So they're probably just getting ready before they're able to announce it on Monday that you guys can simply, start trading Dogecoin. And this would have a really positive impact because the futures coming out, this is obviously going to identify Dogecoin as a commodity, and that's going to have a positive impact on the whole market and especially Dogecoin. Dogecoin price analysts can stay above the 15-cent mark. Even Bonk is taking over. Personally, I feel like there's not much thing as takeover because Doge is still leading the chart by quite a margin. Exploring Doge potential for a massive rally that might be following very soon. I mean, update, Dogecoin pending weekly golden cross. We are still multiple weeks off upwards price action away from achieving this bull market milestone. 2 red week in a row have caused us to divide slightly also, but need green soon to get back on track. Now this green should put us back to around 16 to 18 cents, and then there will be a lot more potential for the price to keep climbing. Now Taiwanese prosecutors target a 20-year sentence for an Ace Exchange suspect. Now this is what I'm trying to say. Right now, there are some negative things which are coming out towards crypto, and that's actually impacting the whole market. And land registry should shift to blockchain technology. Now, this is a really big deal because if this happens, you guys know this would have a huge impact on positive legitimacy of blockchain. And what's the leading industry in blockchain? It's obviously crypto. That's what introduced the world to blockchain. And the biggest bull micro strategy key to success. I mean, personally, I just feel like right now, if you want to succeed in crypto, just be patient. Just wait for April to come to an end. We get a good start to May, and then once the May is far deep into it, we will be seeing a positive trend. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.